Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Are you looking for the best 3D printer for beginners? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best 3D printers for beginners on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check the user to see which one is in your budget range. Studying at Top 1. Monoprice Boxal 3D Printer. If you want to get into 3D printing without the steep learning curve, consider the Monoprice Boxal 3D printer. This 3D printer features several automated functions that make it extra simple to use. The printer arrives fully calibrated and ready to print right out of the box. An auto-leveling feature ensures that the build platform is in the right position, while an auto-feeding filament feature makes loading filament easy. The built-in filament sensor also recognizes low filament levels and pauses prints to notify you that it needs reloading. Once your creation is done printing, lift the heated, flexible, and removable build plate. With a bit of flexing, the model should pop off with ease. This 3D printer features a closed design to keep hands, or paws, away from hot and moving parts while it's printing. It is also Wi-Fi enabled. Its functions are controlled and monitored through its color touchscreen or through your smartphone, through the Polar Cloud cloud-based platform, and you can check on printing progress through the window or with your phone via the built-in camera. If you're into making miniatures, you may also want to consider the best resin 3D printers. Top 2. Snapmaker 2.0 Modular 3-in-1 A350T 3D Printer. With a wide array of uses, the Snapmaker 2.0 Modular 3-in-1 3D printer is a fantastic machine to learn the basics of 3D printing on, and then keep around for the long haul as you master each function. An upgrade to Snapmaker's previous models, the 2.0 A350T encompasses noise reduction for quieter printing, faster speeds, and precision down to 0.005 mm for a smoother finish. This 3D printer is an absolute beast when it comes to material compatibility. Whether you're printing with PLA, PTG, or TPU, engraving or cutting into plywood, paper, acrylic, fabric, or leather, or carving out shapes and textures with hardwood, PCB, acrylic, GOM, carbon fiber sheets, or many more, the Snapmaker can handle the task. This is likely beyond the scope of what you'd be getting into as a beginner, but it opens up the possibilities as you broaden your knowledge and get more comfortable in the realm of 3D printing. There's a lot to applaud Snapmaker for, including its incorporation of auto-leveling, filament runout and power loss recovery, Wi-Fi connectivity, and an all-metal, high-strength build that's designed to last. Top 3. Eligu Saturn MSLA 3D Printer. Compared to FDM, fused deposition modeling, 3D printers, resin printers can print higher levels of detail, which is especially ideal for printing smaller models. Instead of injecting melted materials like plastic layer by layer, resin printers use light, like ultraviolet lights, to cure liquid resin into thin layers. This method allows for finer printing details and a smoother surface. Beginners who want to take advantage of resin 3D printing should consider the ELEGOO Saturn MSLA 3D printer, a relatively affordable choice with several attractive features. Resin printers tend to be smaller than FDM printers. For its entry-level price, this printer has a large build volume at 7.6 inches long by 4.7 inches wide by 7.8 inches high. This larger size gives the flexibility to create larger, but still very detailed models and miniatures. The Eligu also prints 60% faster than its predecessor, the smaller Eligu Mars 2 Pro, while still delivering excellent printing results. Setup is simple with this printer, although beginners should keep in mind that resin printing requires more post-processing than FDM printing. An easy-to-calibrate build plate and a uniform light source create great print results with few adjustments needed. Top 4. AnkerMake M5 3D Printer. If you're looking to make models fast, the AnkerMake M5 3D printer is a smart choice. It prints at 250 mm per second, 5 times faster than some other 3D printers. The AnkerMake M5 is a FDM printer that operates on Linux. The integrated die-cast aluminum alloy structure provides a stable base and auto-leveling. The AnkerMake M5 is also designed with an AI camera that helps identify errors such as extruder jams and failure of the model to stick to the print bed. The system sends notifications through the AnkerMake app, a helpful feature for beginners and experienced makers alike. The AnkerMake M5's build volume of 235 by 235 by 250 mm isn't as large as some, but it works with a range of materials, including PLA, PTG, ABS, and TPU. In addition to operating the machine through the app, you can also use the AnkerMake Slicer and Amazon's Alexa. Top 5. Creality Ender 3 Pro 3D Printer. The Creality Ender 3 Pro 3D printer is a popular 3D printer model for hobbyists, and for good reason. This printer is affordable, easy to use, and comes with several attractive features. The printer arrives partially assembled with all the necessary tools included for easy setup. Loading the plastic filament is simple. Once assembled and switched on, the device is ready to print almost immediately, with a rapid heating feature that gets the printer ready to go in only 5 minutes. In case of any pauses in printing, it also has a handy resume print function, which restarts the job where it left off. The heated, removable, and flexible magnetic print bed makes it easier to remove completed models after they're finished printing, although users will need to take care when reinstalling the bed to make sure it's level. Overall, this 3D printer delivers great print quality, and for its reasonable asking price, it's our choice for the best 3D printer for beginners looking to dip their toes into 3D printing.